Hey, what's up, anyone? I got the leopards in it. Yep. Okay, we're seeing you going to pick out a math test. Okay, oh yeah, here's up. What's up, anyone? Welcome back to Watch Piano Geek. Welcome back and pick up a math test, the carpet cleaner. So, what you doing before? Yeah. Walking as I'm dusty and right. Forget of it.
Our tunnel will be completed very soon. We'll have to make a base instead of such a corridor. I'll let you know very soon. That's it, Bingo. How good. It turned out to be a very long corridor through which hardly anyone would dare to go. Now we are finally building a base. It should be spacious.
Now
Expand it now in all directions.
Oh, you
it's still a
never
bit
been
dark
there.
here, so put some torches somewhere, or I'll put them up now. We need to create a base where we will be comfortable.
Okay, I understand you. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I would like to start building the interior as soon as possible. This is my favorite part.
It won't be long yet, Bluey. First of all, we will need to dig out the entire territory for our base, and then replace the floor and wall blocks.
I understand, Bissell, so I'm trying to finish these two boring parts as soon as possible. I think that the audience is also waiting for the interior as soon as possible.
By the way, viewers, how do you like our idea of these drawings? Write your opinion in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.
I think that everyone should like this thing. The most original way.
Oh, they're plugging in. That's not plugging in. Absolutely.
Bluey, we need more free space. This column will certainly fit into the interior, but it will interfere with us.
We could say that we have almost finished digging out the territory for the base.
Okay.
Now we will extend in different directions. It will be possible to replace the floor and wall.
So I think so. We have finished excavating the room.
Yeah, I we had tested it before.
The floor can be made with the help of commands.
I'm just about to do it. 1 second and the floor will be made of iron blocks. What a beauty. Now you will need to make walls and ceilings.
It won't take us too long, don't
Okay.
worry. The main thing is to do everything.
With the help of the team. You should have used
Okay,
it too.
No big deal,
What are you
Bluey.
doing?
We are in no hurry and we don't need to use commands. Now calmly fill out and we will proceed to the interior.
What a big base we have, of course, it turns out. I didn't even think we could build something this big. Everything can fit here.
Very few blocks remain. Come on, speed up, Bluey. I'll speed up a bit too.
Fine.
I want to finish this ceiling as soon as possible and start the interior design.
Viewers, please like this video for our
What you
efforts.
could
We
do
always
is
have little
actually
extra
the
left after
time.
each episode, but with your support, you will restore it to us.
Now,
And each subscription will extend these powers for us for years to come.
what you
So
do is
subscribe to our channel and put a like on the video. We will be very pleased.
Okay, we'll see this.
Finally, we are starting to
Turn on
build
the
the
lab.
interior.
Oh, wow.
treat them.
What?
Hooray!
Why are you doing this happening at the
Let's
time?
now make an interior in our secret
Hey,
base
dude,
under the
the
bed.
queen
I'll be
runs.
working on the workbench and stove right now.
I'm going to arrange a lot of them, so I'm giving you a whole corner for these blocks. We will need them
What do you want
almost
it to
always and
say
at
what
any
you-
time.
At the
You will
time.
also need to put chests here in
What
which
are
we
you
will put
doing
different
to every
resources.
time?
I wonder if we'll need them here or not.
Okay,
Wow, what a cool idea you made. Go ahead and do
What
it.
you do?
Let's leave this corner in this form.
yeah.
Let's now proceed to the next element of the interior.
And I don't even know what else I can do. It is
Okay,
necessary to make a sleeping place. But first I want to make a kitchen. You still need to cook here.
Oh, I completely forgot about the kitchen. Well done for remembering her. With it, we can literally cook everything in the
What are you
secret
doing
bunker
at
under
the
the
time
bed.
before?
It is quite difficult
Um.
to build a kitchen here because the blocks here.
Relax, after
Alright,
all the difficulties that we will
These are
encounter
cute and they're playing the drum. Look at this.
Don't seem to have suspected
Now I think I'm playing the drum.
That's a good thing.
Yes.
Let's start building the lower
Okay,
where we'll put the hot
Here he is. I'm playing the drum.
On a place where we can do this. Still, it should be a very convenient
That's a
location.
large bluey in it. And a large bluey.
not too deep so that oxygen does
See?
not leave us. There will be a very small room where we will make
There he
only
is.
a jacuzzi and nothing more.
So,
Viewers, write
what's
in
in
the
the
comments,
picture?
do you like our base under the bed? Please also like and subscribe to our channel if you really like our building.
whoa.
I think that this series will
Look at the crap. Are we in his Thompson again? Oh yeah. Woo! Okay,
Bluey replaces stone walls with quartz.
so guys, thank you for watching and like, comment, subscribe.
know that there are bubbles. It's
He's a cute and he has a four
thing is not to forget
look
about.
at cute
That very well. I want to buy.
Hey, so cutie. Hi. Hey, Julie. How you doing? Here. It's a cutie. See? Okay. I see you next one.
I'm going to redo a little hot tub.
I love you so much.